Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about 10 important phrases for every beginner needs to know in French. So these phrases are going to be helpful for those who are traveling to France for the first time, for a short trip, for a business trip, or even as a student who has just arrived in France to complete his or her studies. So guys, let's get on with that. The first one is Je voudrais. Je voudrais. So it's a polite form of asking someone or saying the sentence. So basically, je voudrais acheter un billet pour Paris. I would like to buy a ticket for Paris. You can also say I would like to have. So je voudrais avoir. You can say je voudrais manger. For example, if you want to go to a restaurant and you want to order something over there, so you can just directly say je voudrais manger un croissant. Je voudrais manger la raclette. In this way, you can use je voudrais quite a lot of places. There's another important one. So how to say like how much? So you can just say combien ça coûte, which means how much does it cost? How much is it? Combien ça coûte? So the answer should be like whatever it could be like. Il coûte, ça coûte 5,50 €, 10 €, 20 €. It depends on the product, of course. So how to ask that? Combien ça coûte? Combien means actually how much or how many. Similarly, the next one is very important. This one is very important when you because this is going to be helpful for all those beginner learners in French when you are traveling to France. As you all know that in France, everyone just speaks French and it's very important to know French. But of course, when you're a beginner, how to handle that situation? So let's say you just want to initiate the conversation in French, but you want to switch back to English. So you can just say, est-ce que vous parlez anglais? Est-ce que vous parlez anglais? Or do you speak English? Rather. So fortunately, if you get the partner who speaks English, you can continue the conversation and you can just express what you want to express. This is the best one. Est-ce que vous parlez anglais? Okay, one more thing. Like, let's say you are learning French and you want to practice with native speakers by speaking French with them. But understanding a native speaker is the most difficult task in this. In any language, I guess. So, of course, when a native French speaker speaks, they speak very fast and it's difficult to understand. Even now, I find it difficult to understand sometimes to a native speaker. So, of course, you can just directly say one single sentence in order to get onto the conversation very well. So, you can just say, pouvez-vous parler plus lentement, s'il vous plaît? Pouvez-vous parler plus lentement, s'il vous plaît? Could you please speak slowly? Or more slowly, plus lentement. So another very small sentence, guys, when you are not understanding anything, you can directly say, j'ai pas compris, I didn't understand. Or you can also say, je comprends pas, I don't understand, I'm not understanding. Je comprends pas, j'ai pas compris. Next one is, let's say you want to ask someone that how can I go to a certain place? Like, let's say, how can I go to a railway station? So you can directly say like, excusez-moi. Of course, excusez-moi is one of the most important things when you are calling someone. So, excusez-moi, comment je peux aller à la gare? How can I go to the railway station? La gare is the word for the railway station. You can replace the railway station word with anything like with hospital, with library, with the museum. So you can just say like, comment je peux aller à l'hôpital? Comment je peux aller à la bibliothèque? Comment je peux aller like supermarket, for example, comment je peux aller au supermatch. You can just say like anything, whatever you want. One more important thing is when you're in the restaurant and when you finished everything, you want to ask for the bill. So this is very important thing. You can just say l'addition, s'il vous plaît. L'addition is the word for the bill. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. Or you can also say, you can use that phrase that I taught you in the first one. Je voudrais. So je voudrais avoir l'addition, s'il vous plaît. I would like to have the bill, please. And the next one is how to ask the time to someone. Like in English, you say, what's the time? What is the time? Is it? So you can just say in French like that, like, quelle heure est-il? You can just remember this expression. You can just say like, quelle heure est-il? It's very simple, guys. Quelle heure means What time literally means which hour, but we just say it as quelle heure est-il? Which hour is it? What time is it? All right, then, guys. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked this video as well. So, guys, one and only suggestion that I would like to give you all, that you have to repeat each and every word that I have taught you today. You can just practice it with repetition. With practice, you can practice it with your friends or with your family members, or even you can practice it with yourself by standing in front of the mirror. And guys, so we are going to meet in the next video very soon. Still then, take care of yourself. Bonne journée. Au revoir.